guys, breaking Sheeran is all smile as he catches up with Shane Warne's three children in Melbourne before the singer is presented with moving gift. Ed Sheeran could not wipe the smile off his face on Thursday when he had an emotional reunion with his late friend Shane Warne. Three children in Melbourne. Sheeran, who is currently performing around Australia, was a close friend of the late cricketing legend and frequently caught up with Shane during his Australian tours. Shane Warne's breaking news. You please subscribe my channel and press bell icon and like it.